Hi everyone, today I am going to show you the easiest way to propagate cuttings, not cuttings but direct from the plant. It's just, you can see a layering. I'm just burying the cuttings which is right here. This is intact. I'm just buried it in the another pot. Just see. I'm just trying to burying 3 nodes at least. So for 3 nodes I need to bring this is 1, 2, and this is 3 nodes. So 3 nodes I'm burying inside the pot, and now I'm just filling up with the sand, or you can say it's a mix of sand and soil. That's it. No. That's it. This is done. Now you have to just water that. Don't put too much water, just slightly. I'm just giving the water by hand. I don't have shower at moment, but you can do it like this. And that's it. If you like it, do like and subscribe please.